tricks of decimal expansion for irrational number. See what is given here actually. So given two rational numbers, that is 23 upon 10 is 2.3 and 12 upon 5 is 2.4. As we know, this is a real line or number line. See 2.3 and 2.4. Between 2.3 and 2.4 there is infinitely many such rational numbers can represent, because if I say this is A, this is B, we know there is some thing which include in the center A plus B by 2. Okay, if I take these two number, there will be something like here in the middle. Okay, if I take these two segment, it will be here. If I take these two segment, it will be here. Like that, if I take these two numbers, it will lie here. If I take these two, it will lie here. Okay, that means we can get as many as possible rationals here. Okay, in this 2.3 and 2.4, between 2.3 and 2.4. Now what we are able to find here is, we need to find irrational number between them. Okay, we know between two rational numbers, if he says to find rational number, we know the formula A plus B by 2 or the succeeding numbers. Okay, but what if he asks like irrational number, find irrational numbers, so that between 2.3 and 2.4, it is lot easier than before. Okay, why I'm saying lot easier than before? Because in previous rational number we found A plus B and then we are dividing it by 2. We are adding and then we are dividing it by 2. But here what we have to do is, there is a table, note down. See, after the decimal, if the decimal is in the form of like this, okay, suppose the decimal is given in the form of terminating rational numbers. So if the terminating rational numbers given is, I'm just writing in ABC, A point, this is a decimal number, okay, A point B C. Okay, what you have to do here, look up, you just need to add 0 1, then 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0 1, then again 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, either you do this way, you have to take 0 1, whatever number is given there, you have to write. Okay, after the C, okay, last digit of the decimal. Okay, after the last digit of the decimal, you have to affix. That means you have to fix this with this, with this, with this and this. The resultant will be irrational number. So irrational number will be like A point B C. After C, you have to write 0 1, 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0 1, and so on. In this way you can write this. Clearly we can say this number is a non-terminating and non-recurring, because nothing repeats here. See, after the 100, here 1000, here 10,000, here lakh. Okay, it exceeds like that. Got it? Are you getting my points? See, I'm explaining it again. This is not a table. Tricks to obtain irrational numbers for a given rational. Okay, so this is a given rational. I'm saying this is for given rationals, given terminating rationals. Remember, whenever I say terminating, in the sense of after the decimal expansion, numbers terminated. Okay, it stops. Okay, so given terminating rationals, we need to fix or add numbers after the last digit of the decimal expansion. So this is my last digit of decimal expansion. After that, I am fixing these numbers, these kinds of numbers. Not only this, you can write either in this way or there's another way. Please note down this thing. This is very important. And this is easier one to do. 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. There's a lot better. Otherwise, you can use this also. Okay. One of the tricks is like this, and another trick is, see, if the given terminating rational is A point B C. Okay, suppose say C is equal to some 3 and B is equal to 2. Okay, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Then we can have here A.23. A is something. Say A belongs to some real number, whatever that is. Okay, so A point BC and that is equal to A.23. This can be written as A.23. So this is a lost decimal expansion, right? This is a lost decimal expansion. What I'm doing here is I'm just repeating the numbers 2 2 one before this number. Okay, one lost decimal expansion of the number before the number is 2. That is what I'm repeating here. 223 and then 223, 4 2s and 3, then 5 2s and then 3, and so on. This is clearly non-terminating and repeating, right? And other way is you can write in this way. See, A point BC in general I'm writing. This can be represented in irrational number. If you say in irrational number, A point BC, BBC, BBBC, BBBBC, and so on. Okay, you can write in this way. So this is also a one way of representing irrational number. So these are the techniques we can represent. But here for the given rationals, see, for the given terminating rationals, this is a terminating rationals, we need to find an irrational between them. Okay, so we know that 2.3, only 3 such number, only one number is given. After this decimal, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, you can add such thing like this. So definitely this can be an irrational numbers. Okay, not only this one. If you want, you can write 2.35. Suppose take 2.35. This is 2.40, right? So this is 2.30. So this is 2.35. It lies somewhere here. 2.35. If you want to convert this decimal terminating rationals into irrational, you can still write. See, 335, 3335, 33335, like this, and so on. Okay, this will represent you an irrational number. So the idea here is between any rational and irrational in the number line system, there are infinitely many such irrational numbers which represent in between any two rational numbers. Okay, whenever the question is asking, try to think in this way. There is infinitely many irrational numbers between two rationals. Okay, so in between any two irrational number, if you ask to find rational, if the question reverse here, reverse in this way, see, for a q we are finding q dash, right? Given q means rational numbers. For any two rationals, we need to find irrationals. There are infinitely many such rationals. The question goes in this way also. For any two irrational number is given to you, you can find infinitely such rationals in between the two irrational numbers. Okay, so this is the way of knowing the rationals and irrational numbers. So if you know these techniques, we can easily go for real numbers too. Okay, so because that is a base of the chapter 2. Find any two irrational numbers between these two irrational numbers. This is also an irrational number, this is also an irrational number. Still we have to find any two irrational numbers. As I said, between any two irrational number and rational number, there are infinitely many rationals and irrationals respective. Okay, so let us focus on these numbers. Say given number is 0.301. If you focus on 0 after the last decimal of this digit 3, we can see 0 has extended zeros here. Okay, so 0, 2 zeros are here, 3 zeros are located, 4 zeros located here. The same way here, 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, and so on. And after the zeros, there's one number which is again repeating in the sense of zeros too. So 2 1, 3 ones, 4 ones, and here 2's, 2 2's, 3 2's, and so on. Okay, what I'm going to do here is the two irrationals numbers between these two numbers. Okay, between these two numbers, or I'm writing these two numbers in this way. You can write another two. Okay, no, don't copy my same numbers. Okay, you can write in your own way because there is infinitely many numbers are located. What I'm doing here is, here's a trick. See, 0 1 301 and then 1001. Okay, I'm just focusing on these numbers. Apart from this, I'm just focusing here and here. 0.30200, right? 202, that is 2002, right? Here 1001. What I'm going to do here is, if I make changes here, 301 to one number, one excess of this number, that is 302, which is already here. Okay, we cannot change here, but we can able to change this 100 from these 100. See, after 30 and 30 we have 100 and 200. So between 100 and 200, how many such numbers are representing here? We can take 110, right? 120, 130, 140, 150, and so on, like this. In this way we can write. Okay, so I'm just selecting 120 here, and in here what I'm going to do is, let us focus and watch this. See, here 001, I'm just taking only these kind of numbers, only these numbers. After that I'm changing. Okay, 1 2, this is 1 2, and then after that 1 1 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1 1 2 2, 1 1 2 2, and so on. These are the numbers after this. Okay, then here before the 200. So before the 200 we can easily write, because it is 301. If I take 3 here, it is not a big problem. Yeah, it is not a big problem. 1 3, 1 1 3 3, 1 1 1 3 3 3, and so on. You can write as many as possible numbers. Yeah, this is a two irrational numbers between this and this, or these two. Okay, this and this. You can also write in this way, 0.301, 0.301. I have written 2 here, right? What you have to do is 20, 2200, 222000, and so on. You can also include in this way also. But here 130, 3300, 333000, and so on. There is also such numbers exist in between this and this. Got it?